welcome back to my channel Divan and Mama, and I hope everyone is doing well, staying home because COVID-19 के cases इतना बढ़ रहे हैं सारी जगह, and most of the state is also brought back the lockdown. So please guys, stay home, stay safe, and take care of you and your family members. So today I'm back again with another video for you guys, and I'll be sharing really simple yet effective DIY face masks for you guys for different skin area concern that I have chosen for today. And because we fancy a lot of chemical cosmetic products that we see online or in market, but they are very harsh and harmful on our skin, although they have effective results because definitely they're loaded with the chemicals. So today I'll be getting you all this stuff from your own kitchen that you even think that we can use on our skin, and that can be very effective for you guys. So let's quickly jump into it. So today first concern that we're going to talk about is dry skin. So dry skin has an underlying condition why it happens, but mostly due to loss of moisture, or the hydration level is very low. That is why the skin becomes flaky and dry, and the best way is to use a good moisturizer, good cleanser which is loaded with skin enriching nutrients like shea, cocoa, almond, that actually helps you to restore back your moisture in your skin. Today I'm going to share a very quick and very simple face mask for dry skin that will actually make wonder on your skin, and you will start feeling the difference. Let's start. So we need only three ingredients. One is banana, oatmeal, and honey. So all these three items are very good, not only for our health but for skin, hair, everything. Banana is a super fruit which actually not only provide hydration and nourishment. So oats, being a super grain, act as a soother to your skin. It also helps in treating dry skin. Honey again soothes your skin, treats, provide nourishment and hydration to your skin, bringing your dry skin back to life. So just make a paste out of it, blend it well together in a blender, and then make a smooth paste out of it, and just will apply it. Apply evenly using a brush or hand, whatever you want to. And make a thick cover of it on your skin. It is messy, so you need to take care of it. Okay, so keep it for around 15 minutes on your skin and wash off with a good moisturizer, and I'm sure you guys would love your skin after it, because you will feel a difference. Your skin will be so nourished, so hydrated, so soft and supple. So guys, please try this for sure. So the next area of concern or skin type that we are going to talk about is oily or acne prone or pimple prone skin. Again, there are a lot of greasiness on skin which is due to extra or excretion of oil on the skin, that is sebum, that leads to acne, pimple, pigmentation. That's a lot of things. So it's very important for the people who have the oily skin to take care of the skin, using products or ingredient that have quality of antiseptic or antibacterial, that we call. And it's better to use good cleanser and moisturizer which are oil free. You can use gel based moisturizer because they will not only hydrate your skin but also restore the loss of moisture, plus it will give you a oil free texture on your skin. So again, three, three very simple ingredient mask that I'll be sharing with you guys. And this three ingredient is a household product that is available in every house, and I believe काफ़ी लोग यूज़ भी करते हैं एज अ फेस पैक इसको. मेरी मम्मा तो मुझे बचपन में बहुत यूज़ किया है ये वाला ingredient जो. So I'm talking about basically chickpea flour, that is बेसन, yogurt and turmeric. तीनों ऐसे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं जो बहुत इफेक्टिव है फॉर योर हेल्थ, माइंड, बॉडी एंड स्किन. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So you just need 1 tablespoon of gram flour, that is besan, pinch of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix it evenly and then we'll apply it. So जब मैं छोटी थी मम्मा मुझे वीक में ये ज़रूर यूज़ करती थी, कहते थे इससे स्किन बहुत अच्छी होगी. इन माई स्कूल टाइम. प्लस जिन बच्चों को ना बहुत हेरी होते हैं ना वो, अगर बहुत, तो उसके लिए भी ये काफ़ी इफ़ेक्टिव होता है. आप उसको लगा कर के रब करो, ड्राई होने के बाद बहुत बेनिफिट होती है उससे. तो ये सब बचपन में हुआ है. तो आई नो ऑल दिस थिंग्स क्वाइट वेल. So we are done with it. So keep this for around 15 to 20 minutes on your skin, and again wash it and pat off using a good toner or moisturizer definitely, क्योंकि ऑयली स्किन के लिए है ये. सेकेंड, आपको यूज़ करते ही काफ़ी ज़्यादा बेनिफिट दिखने लगेगा अपने स्किन में, क्योंकि ये आपके एक्ने, पिंपल्स सबको काफ़ी लिमिटेड ग्रोथ हो जाएगी. ट्राई यूजिंग इट, क्योंकि रेगुलर यूज़ करने से एक्चुअली इसका इफेक्ट पड़ता है. तो डू यूज़ इट एंड लेट मी नो कैसा लगता है आपको. सो नेक्स्ट स्किन कंसर्न और जो मैं बात करने वाली हूँ वो है एजिंग की. तो हमेशा कहा जाता है कि स्टार्ट अर्ली, एंड दैट एक्चुअली इम्प्लाइज द बेस्ट ऑन स्किन केयर, बिकॉज एज वी स्टार्ट अर्ली, हम जितना ध्यान रखेंगे उसका रिजल्ट जो है उतना ही अच्छा आने वाला है. especially from starting the age of 30, sign of aging start showing up, fine lines, wrinkles वो दिखना शुरू हो जाता है स्किन में. तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपकी स्किन जो है एक्चुअली ब्रीद इन करे और ध्यान रखो स्किन का पहले से, ताकि जो साइंस ऑफ एजिंग है वो ना दिखे. एंड जो मैं आपको मास्क यूज़ बताने वाली हूँ बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट यूज़ हुआ है, बट दे आर वेरी इफेक्टिव एंड स्किन is going to thank you कि आपने मेरा ध्यान रखा है starting से, for sure. So the two ingredients I'll be using is very simple. One is yogurt and the other is honey. So yogurt has lactic acid which helps in tightening of skin. Honey too helps in defining your aging issues. Plus जो योगर्ट है उसमें ब्राइटनिंग एजेंट भी होता है, तो इट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स इन इंक्रीजिंग योर स्किन टोन टू. So just need to mix honey and yogurt together and apply evenly on your skin. Apply a thick layer. Dahi or yogurt is something which is good for everything, all skin type actually. इतने health benefit है curd के, and it works wonder on your skin. I am very sure you guys, once you try all the mask that I have said, you start feeling difference and you're going to thank me. You do thank me, but for this. Okay, so you just need to keep it for 10 minutes because curd है तो वो जल्दी dry up हो जाता है. Just keep for 10 minutes and trust me guys, start following these steps regularly, weekly. You start finding difference on your texture of skin. जो भी concern है उसमें काफ़ी फ़ायदा मिलेगा आपको. So just keep it for 10 minutes and wash off following by a good toner and moisturizer. Hope you guys will love this video, and thank you so much for such a overwhelming response of my last video that was salon style clean up at home. I got a lot of positive feedback feedback, and it was really so good to read all the messages. Thank you so much. It actually keeps me motivated to give my best every time. And also do comment on the comment box how you are liking my videos, and let me know what more content you want me to make. And those who are still not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends, families, and everyone you think that can be useful. And do let me know how you're liking it. So take care and see you guys soon.